Cleaned off the table, put the flowers my daughter and son gave me, and now I'm going to sit and relax for a minute. I went outside and picked some of these hydrangeas and made quite a mess, but trying to get the house cleaned up a little bit before we go to Austin's game tonight, and hope you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching. I stopped down at the doggy park before we go to the game so she can go potty and run her long legs. We made it to the game. Now we just have to find the field. But we ran into our daughter and she said it's on the other side of the field, so.
Right here, right here, right here. Clear the flag, yes. Deep. Go, 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 go.
There's a storm brewing behind us. Had to stop and get gas. The pump stopped right at 100. But we stopped and filled up the tank, like I showed you, and I washed all the windows. There's no bugs on the windows. That looked nice. On Tuesdays at Quick Trip, you can get a half-price car wash sale, so we did that also. But it did storm later, but at least the truck's still clean. Yep, the storm is brewing. Got her plugged in now. Comes the rain. They had a van, so that was good. The strobing lightning made Bella a little nervous. Back home again, Bella and my husband Kim is putting cement around the shed so it doesn't sink. And he put some nails in there and like a chicken wire type thing. So everything will be compact and it won't lean. When the rain pours on it, it'll just stay put. Isn't going to go anywhere. No shed. It's getting dark and it's only a little after 7, but I'm enjoying the back porch after I put all the vinyl up. And I have my magnolia back here, and look at how pretty that is. It smells so good back here. Oh, we only had smell-o-vision. And look at, I got a whole bunch of other buds coming in. This is one we rescued from that plant store I was telling you about. That when I find plants they throw out, they may need a little TLC or some water. But yeah, it's doing really good. This one's seen better days, but I gave it a bunch of water yesterday, so hopefully it's coming around. I'm just going to sit at the computer for a little bit and watch a couple of videos and relax back here. And that's about it for tonight. Today is Thursday. My husband went to pick up our grandson at the high school or the middle school and brought him home after his football practice. But that's about all I know right now. It's getting chilly outside. He's looking for a warm lap. Maybe chilly outside, but I'm going to make chili on the inside. The taco meat will give it a little extra taste. My tripod broke, so I'm going out to the car to get my extra one. Yesterday's mail. A little mixture of summer flowers and fall decor.
Don't worry, I put him back. We're safe. Let's continue our.
is the bean section, and our daughter doesn't really like chili beans that much in the chili, so I'm gonna put in some beans that we have on hand here, and then keep her some different beans, or different chili, I mean, without the beans. So I'll put some aside for her. And then I'm gonna just put black beans, some dark red kidney beans, and put those in there. And then I'm gonna look around some more for some chili beans. We have a little bit of food storage going on down here. My husband has always been that way. He's always put extra food away in case of an emergency, so, and toilet paper. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to try to find some real chili beans. If not, these will taste really good. I'm sure nobody will mind. I put some chili in a jar, found some fall ribbon I'm going to put on there, and it looks like rocks in there, but it's actually chili. And then these cute little things are from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to put them on the lid like I did here. And let's see if I can get that ribbon back up there. Just put a little bit of this on there. And then bring it around. Oh. Give it a little pinch. But yeah, I think he'll like that. I hope he does anyway. And then I have another one I'm going to do. And then I'm going to add some cheese and crackers with his soup. So I know the chili turned out really good. I hope he'll enjoy it too. And I just wanted to mention, I didn't plan this. I just happened to have ribbon for a outdoor project, and then these we happen to have around. So just kind of put it all together. All right. I have an extra one of these, so I put that on the cheese, and I put one on the end of his crackers. So here it is, and then I bought some fall napkins. They're so pretty. I couldn't pass those up.